sub is in here?
Alpine Type R,
Type
12
R.
inch.
Okay. And like a 2-to-1 ratio, fourth order?
I'm not exactly sure what it is. I had the specs, you know, printed out for somebody else.
Okay.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
I'll come around. So you built this?
Yeah.
Okay. What year is this truck? It's pretty old.
90.
1990? Okay. And fourth order, is it like, where's the sub at? Just curious.
It is right here facing this way.
Okay.
Motor's back that way.
Okay, so you got like a wall.
Yeah, there's a wall right here.
Okay. And then the port goes back? Or?
It just goes straight back. It doesn't L over or anything.
What sub is in here?
Alpine Type R,
Type
12
R.
inch.
Okay. And like a 2-to-1 ratio, fourth order?
I'm not exactly sure what it is. I had the specs, you know, printed out for somebody else.
Okay.
I bought the specs for it.
Nice. And then how much battery power do you have?
Two Northstar 220s and then a Duracell Platinum under the hood.
Okay.
Brand X Alternator 320.
DS18 4-channel amp?
Yeah, that's just for the mids and highs.
Okay.
But
What's on the sub?
This old audio bond.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
8002. I think about 1,000 watts.
Yes, sir. Yeah, it gets a little warm.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of his system. He was showcasing this system at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021, TD8 show. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment, give him some positive feedback on what you like about his system. He's going to be giving us a 2-song bass demo today. This isn't a very loud system by no means, but it is a clean install for a 1990s old school system. Alpine Type R with this old school amplifier. I went ahead and looked at the specs of the amplifier online. It is around 800 watts peak power, 400 watts RMS. So it is a very budget friendly amplifier, and it's old school being an audio bond. So maybe some of y'all may have ran these amplifiers back in the days when people used to run audio bond. I don't see a lot of this amplifier brand out anymore. And it is on an Alpine Type R in this fancy 2-to-1 ratio fourth order box. I didn't get the actual box specs, but I could definitely tell that the way he had it mounted, you can see on the right there, able to remove that panel and mount the subwoofer in there. So there's a sealed section and a ported section to make this the 2-to-1 ratio. Really sure the Alpine Type R here, this is what Google Images showed. That's what the subwoofer looks like inside. I couldn't poke my phone inside, but it's rated around 750 watts RMS. So the amplifier is actually not going to be pushing the sub to its limits. So we're going to get to the 2-song demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy.
I've been outcast and do this for practice. Sign at the line, home catching these rappers. Way too much talking, these rappers and bitch, I'm just ass. What the fuck happened? The game ain't the same, so I came in my thing, I created it later. I'm done with this rap shit. I've been outcasting, do this for practice. Sign at the line, how I'm catching these rappers. Way too much talking, these niggas that bitch, I'm just asking. What the fuck happened? The game ain't the same, so I came in my thing, I created it later. I'm done with this rap shit. Get your gun, son. You don't want gun. I'm so fucked up in this place. I can't feel you suck dick. I bet you feel real safe. Typing all that shit on Facebook, but I don't ever see your face in public. And if I do, all of a sudden now you wanna be.
Thank you for the demo, man.
No
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it gets a little warm. You have a good day.
You do the same, man.
Shop everything audio at bigjeffaudio.com. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.